This is a very unexpected purchase. It's as if Chanel heard me and they said, we got you, girl. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a new handbag to share with you. I will tell you how this bag transpired, like how I managed to get it and what happened. But maybe I'll do the unboxing first and then we can just talk through it. I will also do a little bit of modeling shots just to make this video a bit more informative for you, just not to see me just unbox this bag, right? And yeah, truly unexpected purchase. Oh my gosh. This is actually the second time that I am filming this. I actually filmed the unboxing way before I went to America. But then while I was in America, I realized that I wiped it out from my camera. So, which is why it is only going up like now. I'm refilming it. Oh my gosh, it's right here. I'm going to put the B-roll now and you can see it coming out straight from the box the day I got it while I take this out, and it is absolutely stunning. When my essay sent this to me, I was a little hesitant because it was never something that I was looking for. I know it's very highly sought after, these kind of top handle bags, but it's wasn't on my radar. But when I saw the color, I was just like, oh my gosh, I think this is it. I have a friend who has the same bag and she was telling me that it's so pretty in real life. So I actually went into store. And when I took it and I looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I just could not leave the store without it. So here it is. Oh my gosh. I have like little 2 ears, which I'll talk about. Let me just take them out because they're kind of like not so pretty right now. I'll explain what these little things are. But this is my new handbag. This is the, I guess, the top handle bag from, oh my gosh, I am so bad at unboxings right now. Oh my gosh, I actually don't know. This is from what season? Doesn't say. I got this bag in the middle of July and I think it's from the 22A collection. Oh my gosh, if anybody knows, please let me know. I have no idea. This bag is in this beautiful deep green color and it's actually showing up quite true to color on camera. It's actually reflecting really well. It has a little bit of iridescence to it, but not that it will shift its color, because if you look up close, there is a bit of gold flecks on it. Really soft. So in certain angles, it does shift a bit more golden, like golden green. But it's such a stunning bag. And it comes with champagne gold hardware. You know, there's so many unboxings of these top handle bags right now. So yeah, I have it stored. I even have a little bag organizer from Zumoni, which is such a perfect little bag organizer. I will link it down below. I do have a discount code. And yeah, Zumoni sent me this. It's so cute. They sent me a few more bag organizers. Maybe I should do a bag organizer review. So this bag is lambskin, and when I saw it in store, obviously this is my second rectangular mini in lambskin. But this lambskin, it's like kind of a little bit matte, but just really tough and feels almost like calf skins. I think it's been treated or something. It feels a little bit like Dior lambskin. It actually feels tougher. But again, it is lambskin, so I do have to be more careful with it. I just got it in July and I was feeling really kind of guilty because I actually just got my Constance as well. So this actually has been sitting in a box. I have used it once, but I haven't really put a lot of wear into it. It's just one of those bags that I have just been admiring, just like, oh my god, you're gorgeous. And it's so wow. As you all know, this year Chanel in the 22A collection, or this year's 22 collection, a lot of green. There was like all kinds of shades of green. It was this beautiful, like the perfect green bag, but it was all sold out. So I sent it to my essay and I said, if there were any green bags in the collection, please let me know because I really want to get like a green bag. So my essay sent me a couple of seasonal pieces, but it was the bright green, but just not perfect, like not the design that I wanted. Then my essay sent me this and I was like, I kind of like this green. Like this is more neutral green. This is something that I could you know, use for other occasions that maybe I won't get bored with, like super green. And I was like, oh, I just bought another bag. I feel kind of guilty. So my essay was like, why don't you just come and take a look at it? And I texted my friend, as I was saying earlier. I was like, oh my God, you gotta get this bag because it's really pretty in real life. So I went to the store, I tried it out, and obviously after trying it out, I fell head over heels. So I could not leave the store without it. So now I have two rectangular minis. This is like my new Chanel bag. Chanel always gets me back, right? So yeah, I have been keeping it for a little bit because, again, sometimes I just don't want to grab my bag straight away to use. And I actually went holiday right after that, so oh my gosh, isn't it pretty? The strap length is perfect. I can wear it on my shoulder and it will not be like too low below, and obviously it feels so good crossbody. But again, I have been really enjoying carrying bags like a top handle bag, and it feels good in the hands as a top handle bag. I've never considered this. This has never been on my wish list, but here it is, and in a color that I just love. Before I end this video, let me just tell you what I realized about this bag. Firstly, I would keep the straps on the inside, and you know, maybe because the other bags that I had didn't have this issue. I'm not sure what it is about this particular one, that because the strap actually, like this, there's a little D-ring right here that rests on top of the bag and it kind of presses it down, a little bit like the walk, you know, where they have the zip on the inside, and because you close it and the zip's pressing against the bottom quilt, it'll leave a little mark. So in a way, this is kind of same. Instead of a zip, it's the strap. So when I noticed that it does kind of leave a little indentation on the leather, I found one of these like spongy things. I don't know where I got these from, like somewhere, maybe part of the bag. So what I do right now is, before I keep it, I would just slip it underneath here and then put this on the top, and it does help with the indentation. So I'll just slip this in. So just like that. kind of looks a little odd, you know, but better look odd than have like dents on the bags, right? So anyway, this is my brand new Chanel top handle bag. If you want me to do a review of this bag, please let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely can. I'll do some, you know, I don't know what's in my bag, maybe tell you about the new lambskin that this bag is. I know there's a lot of talk about Chanel quality going down, but so far so good on this bag. I will obviously get use out of this. I'll start using it a little bit more, and I will let all of you know. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, everyone, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!